Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate expired card replacement on Capital One step by step clearly. To activate an expired replacement card on Capital One, start by locating your new card. Make sure you have it nearby for easy access. Next, visit the official Capital One website or open the Capital One mobile app. Log into your Capital One account using your username and password. Once logged in, navigate to the Account Services section. Look for the option labeled Activate Card. Click on this option to begin the activation process. You may be prompted to enter your card number. Input the card number from your new replacement card. Follow any additional prompts, such as verifying your identity. After completing the verification, submit your information. You should receive a confirmation message indicating that your card has been activated. If you encounter any issues during this process, consider contacting Capital One customer support. They can assist you with troubleshooting and ensuring your card is activated properly. Once activated, your new card is ready for use. Remember to update any automatic payments linked to your previous card. This will ensure uninterrupted service for your subscriptions. Your new Capital One card will now be fully functional. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested content. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.